Good morning, everyone. My name is Shana Mishra. Today, I will tell you something about Jainism. Let's get started. Jainism, a way of life. Live and let live. Forgive and introspect. Respect all living beings. Respect the environment. इसका अर्थ है Jainism एक तरीके की जिंदगी मीन्स a way of life. Live and let live. जियो और जीने दो. Forgive and introspect मतलब माफ कर दो. Respect all living beings. Living beings को respect दो. Respect the environment मतलब environment को respect. Introduction. Jainism, traditionally known as Jain Dharma, is an ancient Indian religion. Followers of Jainism are called Jains, a word derived from the Prakrit word Jina, meaning victor. Jains trace their spiritual ideals and history through a succession of 24 leaders or Tirthankars, with the first being Rishabhanatha, or also known as Adinath Bhagwan, who according to Jain tradition lived millions of years ago. The 23rd Tirthankar, Parshavanatha, in 900 BC, and the 24th Tirthankara, the Mahavira, around 500 BC. Jains believe that Jainism is an internal dharma, with the Tirthankars guiding every cycle of Jain cosmology. Canonical religion texts are called Angamas and Paramangamas. Jainism. The main religion premises of Jainism are ahimsa, non-violence, anekanavada, many-sidedness, parigraha, non-attachment, and asceticism, abstinence from sensual pleasure. Devotees then take 5 main vows: ahimsa, non-violence; satya, truth; aste, not stealing; brahmacharya, sexual continence; and parigraha, non-possessiveness. These principles have affected Jain culture in many ways, such as leading to a predominantly vegetarian lifestyle. Whereas Agrahomo Divana, the function of souls is to help one another, is the motto, and the Namokara mantra is its most common and basic prayer. Jainism has two ancient sub-traditions, Digambars and Sevambars, with different views on ascetic practice, gender, and which text can be considered canonical. Both have Medicaid support by laypersons. The religion has between 4 and 5 million followers, most in India. Outside India, some of the largest communities are in Canada, Europe, and the United States. Jainism is growing in Japan, where more than 5,000 ethnic Japanese families have converted to Jainism. Major festivals include Aryushana and Dashalakahana, Ashtanika, Mahavir Jayanti, and Deepavali. 24 gods of Jan, or 24 teachers of Jan. This is a photo of them. Gods. Jainism is a transtheistic religion holding that the universe was not created and will exist forever. It is believed to be independent, having no creator, governor, judge, or destroyer. In this, it is unlike the Abrahamic religion. However, Jainism believes in the world of God and hell, being who are born, die, and reborn, likely earthly beings. Jain texts maintain that the souls who live happily in the body of a god do so because of their positive karma. It is further state that they possess a more transcend known about material things and can anticipate events in the human realms. However, once their past karmic merit is exhausted, it is explained that their soul was reborn again as human, animals, or other beings. In Jainism, perfect soul with a body are called arihant victors, and perfect souls without a body are called siddhas, liberated souls. And this is the logo of Jainism. This is the first photo is the logo, and the second photo is the meaning of the word. Meaning of the logo. You can see it here. The Chandrabindu. It's like Chandrabindu. It is Siddhas, and the three dots are right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. And the swastik is Dev, Turkey, Priyancha, Manushya. The hand is Ahimsa hand. And in the between, it is the teaching of 24 Tirthankars. And at the end, there is a written Parsaparo Agraho Jivanam. The meaning of it is mutual support and interdependence. And now we will talk about cosmology. It's about Lok and Alok. Jain text found that the universe consists of many external locus, realms of existence. As in Buddhism and Hinduism, both time and the universe are external, but the universe is transient. The universe, body, matters, and time are considered separately from the soul or jiva. Their interaction explains life, living, death, and rebirth in Jain philosophy. The Jain cosmic universe has three parts: the upper, middle, and lower worlds, Urdhvalok, Madhyavalok, and Adholok. Jainism states that Kal, Samay, is without being an internal, the cosmic wheel of time. You can see here, time, the Charkare, rotates sincerely in the parts of the universe. It explains there are six periods of time within two equal, ionos, yeah, Ara, are also called as Ara. And in the first, the universe generates, and in the next, Dignatus, it divided the world cycle of time into two half cycles: Ustapini, ascending, progressive, and prosperity and happiness, and Avasarpini, descending, increasing in sorrow and emotionally. States that the world is currently in the fifth era of Avasarpini, full of sorrow and religious decline, where the height of living beings shrinks. According to Jainism, after the sixth era, the universe will be reawakened in a new cycle. Flag. This photo is of Jainism flag. What is the meaning of there are five colors: white, red, orange, green, or dark blue or black. White represent Arihant, red represent Siddha, orange represent Acharya, green represent Upadhyay, dark blue or black represent Sadhu. In the center of the flag is the swastik. Swastik represent the four states of existence of life. Respect for Jan flag is respect for Panch Parmeshwati. Respect for Panch Parmeshwati destroy the sorrow of the four state of existence, existence and finally guides us to our sweet home to infinite bliss and pleasure. These are two temples of Jainism. This is Dilwara Temple, Dilwara Temple in Mount Abu, and this is a Jain temple in Belgium. Jai Janint. Thank you for watching.